Invisible ink on the paper so bright, like whispers of dreams in the dead of the night. I write my name in the spark of a flash, words go